Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Waves of Mathematics. This is Poonam, your math teacher, and today we are going to another question of Olympiad. You can see these are the cubic numbers, and 29 cube plus 15 cube upon 14 cube plus 29 cube. We need to find the value of this term. What is the answer of this term without doing any direct method? Direct method means do not do 29 cube. Do not do 15 cube then add up. Then similarly in the denominator. We will apply some concepts, some tricks to solve this question. So how to solve this question? By the tricky methods we are using here. We are using some identities also. 29 cube and plus 15 cube. So you can see, can we break the 29 in terms of the 15 plus something, 15 plus 14 is equals to 29. So we will write this 29 cube 15 plus 14. Again we'll 15 plus 14 is the 29 whole cube plus here the 15 cube upon 14 cube is the as it is, and this 29 cube is the 15 plus 14 whole cube. Now you can see the numerator and denominator, all the terms in the form of the 15 and 14. Okay. Now see this 15 plus 14 whole cube. So do not do the a plus b whole cube formula. First of all, we will suppose this 15 and 14 something, any variable. So let me suppose this 15 is m equals to 15. We will consider this 15 is m and this 14 is the n. So now you can see this 15. We'll write this 15 instead of 15 m, and here the n whole cube, and it is n cube m cube upon 14 cube is the n cube plus m plus n whole cube. So now you can see this form is the variable form in which m and n are unknown variables. Now after that m plus n, we will suppose this m plus n the another thing. Let m plus n equals to x. So it will be x cube plus m plus n is the x cube, and this m cube is as it is upon n cube, and this is x cube. Now after that x cube plus m cube upon n cube plus x cube. This is the shortest form. You can see that this is the shortest form, x cube plus m cube and n cube plus x cube. Okay, so a cube plus b cube, we are using the identity a cube plus b cube. So by using identity a cube plus b cube, this identity says a square plus b square. This identity says, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b multiply a square plus b square minus ab. Okay, so this identity says a plus b bracket a square plus b square minus ab. Okay, so here the a is the x and b is the m in the numerator. Okay, numerator it is a, it is b. So a plus b and a square plus b square minus ab. We are using this. So according to numerator, a is the x and b is m for numerator. So you can use a plus b. A plus b is x plus m, and a square is x square plus b square is the m square minus ab. Minus ab means nx. Okay. Similarly in the denominator we are using again this identity. So you can see the denominator a is the n and b is the x for denominator. So using this n plus x, n square plus x square minus nx. It will be mx. Sorry, by mistake I have written m in numerator. It is m. Okay, so it is m and it is n. Now you can see the x plus m. This is where we will break the identity. Now after that, after using this identity, we know that what is our x. X is m plus n. So put x equals to m plus n again here. So we'll write the value of x here. M plus n plus m is this m. We'll write m plus n whole square plus this m square is as it is minus this m, and instead of x we'll write m plus n. Just put the value of x. So n plus x, n value, there is no value of n, x value is m plus n, and n square, this x is the m plus n square minus n into m plus n. So why we are putting the value of m plus n here? Because of if you put the value of m plus n in this expression instead of x, so some parts are cancel out. Okay, that's why we are again put the value of x equals to m plus n here. So m plus m is the 2m plus n in numerator, and this a plus b whole square we will again open, a square plus b square plus 2ab, and this is m square minus this minus m, multiply this bracket portion minus m square, and minus plus minus mn. Now see the denominator, n and n is the 2n plus m. Now n square, m plus n whole square is the a square plus b square plus 2mn minus n into m is nm, n into n is the n square. Okay, now see this m square and this m square is cancel out. Okay, this m square and m square is cancel out, and here you can see n square and n square is the cancel out. So in numerator 2m plus n is remaining, and here m square plus n square, 2mn minus 1mn is equal to mn, positive with positive sign, and 2n plus m, here m square plus n square, 2mn minus this nm, nm and mn both are same, so it will be plus mn. Now you can see this part are cancelled, so we have only 2m plus n and 2n plus m. So we have 2m plus n upon 2n plus m. Now you can see what is our question. Question is the cubic form, and now the question is in without cubic. So now it will be easy to solve without cubic variables. Just put the value of m and n and write the answer. 2 into m. M value is 15 and value is 14. Okay, m value is 15 and n value is 14, and n value is 14 and m value is 15. Now 15 to the 30 plus 14, 24 to the 28 plus 15. So if you solve, it will be a 44 upon 43 is the answer. So this is the question. Okay, we'll do again, repeat this question. 29 will break the 15 plus 14, and this 15 cube is as it is. After that, m is the 15 and n is the 14. Okay, just put the value. Now m plus n, consider x. So this is the x form. Why we are using m plus n equals to x? Because of your term will be short form, so that you can apply the identity easily. Okay, so that's why we are using m plus n is the very great two terms number. So we will convert into the one term, x cube plus m cube. Okay, now we are using this identity, and just use the identity and get this term. After that, again we know that the m plus n is the x, so we are using instead of x again m plus n. Now solve this question and you'll get the very shortest form without cubic form, and just put the value of m and get the answer. Okay, hope you have understood this question, and if you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and thanks for watching.